How to add Google search bar on your Android home screen. Hello and welcome back everybody. If you'd like to add the shortcut of Google search bar on your Android home screen, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So you can open up your device and navigate to the main screen of your Android phone where you can just go ahead and add up applications. So you can long press an empty space on your home screen for that. And once you do, a different option appears on your dashboard. So you can just go ahead and select the option of widgets from the given menu that appears on your screen and open it up. Once you open it up, you will be seeing a list of available widgets on your screen. From here, you may just scroll down to find and select the option for Google. Scroll and find it Google. And once you find it out, you may just go ahead and drop it down. Once you drop it down here, you'll be finding different kind of widgets. The one we are looking for is Google search bar. So find this one right here, the 4-into-1, quickly search by text, voice, or camera. And once you find it up, you just need to go ahead and tap and hold the Google bar widget until it appears on your screen. Now place it wherever you want on the part of your screen, like this. And once you do so, you can customize it. You can select up the theme, your device's theme, etc. After that, you can select up the transparency available as well. Once it is done, you may just head over and uh, head back. And once you do, you will be finding the changes being saved. Now you can just go ahead and customize it. You can place it wherever you want on your screen. And you can use this Google search bar right here to go ahead and search any kind of information that you prefer. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to add up a Google search bar on your Android home screen, these are the methods you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.